Shop kitty's falling asleep on top of my car. Hmm? And everyone. Well, engine is now out of the car. Sitting on a block temporarily outside because I didn't have the correct bolts to go on the engine stand. So for the moment, while it's out here, gonna drain the rest of the coolant out of it. Gonna get it prepped and ready to go inside, so I can start taking it apart and seeing what I got. Actually, in like 15 minutes, I gotta go to the hardware store and pick up some bolts for the engine stand. Man, being my first, I guess, engine pull, it's freaking awesome, man. But yeah, now I just gotta get ready for disassembly. Hang tight. Came back from the hardware store, picked up 2 longer bolts at first, so I went back and got the right sized or correct sized bolts for the spider for the engine mount. Excuse the umbrella. It is raining a little bit here, but at the moment I'm just cleaning off some of this gunk and crap that's been built up on this engine for a long time. Just, I guess, waiting for my friend to come over with his tractor so that we can lift this thing up and I can put it on the engine stand. But in the meantime, just doing some cleaning up on the motor so I don't get it all dirty inside the shed. Is it recording? Yes. Well, take 2. The first camera died. So now we're gonna get on to removing the intake manifold. And let's get it, 9/16 all the way.
I can't quite reach one.
These bolts are just crummy as hell. Got all kinds of. Oh, Jesus! Smell that!
I don't think I want to.
Oh my God! What is that? We should probably get like a vacuum or something. Vacuum would probably be a lot better than.
Oh, I hadn't even thought about a vacuum.
Give me a second. I shall.
Good.
One.
I think these are loose. Yes, sir.
Think about a vacuum. Neither of us. That would have been a really good idea. Yeah. It's alright. We're noobs at this. We'll get better at it.
We were blowing it off with the bicycle.
Guess we were.
And at no point did we think a shop vac was a good idea.
Oh man.
You got a bagger?
Yeah, it's already over there.
Okay. Oh gosh.
Yeah, you smell it now, don't you?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's not bad. Why is that bad?
I have no idea.
Is that hair?
Nah. get all them off my vacuum up again. Yeah, I'm just like a stain.
Dude. I don't know why. That's weird.
We can vacuum latch onto my shirt real quick. Let the oil stay. Alright. Hey, can you throw this in the parts bin? Thanks, sir.
That thing ain't coming off easy.
The intake?
Yeah.
Nah. Gonna need a mother alone too. Before we do that, I'm actually gonna take these bolts out.
Oh, do those go down into the head?
No. Just the intake valve. I'm just taking them out just so they'll be out of the way.
Gotcha.
Just random bolts.
You got a breaker bar?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Just gotta find a good spot, I guess, to crack her loose. I actually might take that off there real quick. Ooh.
Alright. Sweet. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought.
I will take that duct tape off here, actually. Oh, not too bad. Did get some coolant in here though. But that could just have been from like whenever I sprayed it. Alright, take 3. Because it stopped every time. But the new one, it doesn't come with screw in stud. Well, excuse me. It has provisions for screw in studs. It doesn't come with them.
Okay.
You gotta buy them. It could be dirty. This one right here is dirty. It's all gummed up and stuff. That's why it's not coming off. There we go. Still going. I think it's just getting dead.
Yeah, this one, the shreds look like they might be fouled
Oh,
in the end.
well, if they are, I'm not too worried about it.
Hey, that one threads on. And that one threads on there. We'll just do that.
You just swap them over?
Yeah.
Looking at it, there are some different ones.
Yeah, some of them are just regular lock nuts.
Alright. I'm gonna pull these push rods. So gummy.
So all of the push rods are shiny and round and have a hole in them, except for this one. This one's cracked and ground and has a flat spot on 2 sides. Welcome. That one.
What is that? That is an exhaust valve. Could just be burned.